Annabel Street in her book The Walking Cure defines rolling hills as gently sloping hills. They're not as big as mountains, yet higher than the land around it. I choose to walk up Nicky Nook because it is one of the features near my house that best resembles this description, though gently sloping is not at all accurate. As Streets observes, a good walk should be brisk, and there's no doubt you can walk up Nicky Nook in as brisk a manner as you can muster. Look out for the steps on the west side of the hill. I approach walking as my preferred method of exercise these days. Not that I avoid any other forms of exercise like the gym, but I find my mind wandering rather than focusing on the job in hand. Nicky Nook is by no means dangerous, but you can come a cropper if you're not careful. Rough and stony ground can be difficult to traverse when you're not watching what you're doing. It's not what you would call rolling, it's more a straight up and down. But the straight up is good for getting the heart rate going, and the downward journey is done easily, as there are good paths to follow. You can do the whole walk in half an hour if you find yourself there early in the morning before the dog walkers and ramblers come out in force. But do yourself a favour and take your time. There are some spectacular views across Lancashire where you can spot Fortin Services and Heysham Power Station, and on a clear day you can see across to Blackpool Tower. A great place with a fabulous view which makes you work for it and rewards you with a gentle walk down. There are some interesting flat walks around the bottom of the hill on the south side too. If you have time, it's a perfect place for a picnic or a stroll. Like and subscribe for more walking advice like this.